What's up, sarsaparillas? It's your girl Sassy J, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Oh my gosh, it is time for a week 8 Saxenda update. Like week 8, okay? It's week 8. I cannot believe how fast time is going. Like week 8? Does that mean like it's been 2 months? OM Jizzle, okay? But anyways, guys, before I get into today's video, which is going to be a very short video because I'm going to get to the point very quickly and just get it over and done with. But before I get into today's video, I'm just going to ask you guys just to give me a thumbs up the video, guys. If you haven't liked the video already, go like it. Like it right now, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed and you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe. The girl's on her way to 2K. Yes, guys, I'm almost at 1600. 1600. I was gonna say 1600. Like, come on, girl. We ain't there yet, okay? But I'm almost at 1600 subscribers, guys. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much, because I've been seeing the subscribers coming in, and you have no idea how much it means to me that people actually choosing to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me, guys. So thank you to all my new subscribers, and big up to all my OG subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for rocking with me. But yes, guys, like I said, if you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get updated every time more upload a new video. But anyways, guys, let's get straight to it. So week 8, the girl has lost weight. So last week I was down, what, 25.5 pounds. So now this week I lost 0.8 kg, which is 1.8 pounds. I was really hoping to get that to that 1 kg to make it 2.2 pounds. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was like, is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? I've been on the scale quite a few times for the whole week. I was like, is it? Won't it? Is it? But I didn't get there, but it's okay. So I'm down 1.8 pounds this week, which would make my total weight loss on the Saxenda, only the Saxenda, guys, 12.4 kg, which is now 27.4 pounds in total. So I am literally, guys, I am like this away from my 28 pounds. So my 2 stone mark, I'm literally just basically a little bit over half a pound away from my 2 stone mark. Like, do you know what? I had my hospital appointment today. So I met with my dietitian, and my goal was to hit my 2 stone weight loss by today. I didn't hit it, but it's okay. Next week, maybe, okay? Next week, maybe. Maybe. Next week, definitely, because I'm like 27.3 pounds down. So next week, definitely. But yes, guys, the girl is down 27.3 pounds or 12.4 kg if you're a kg person. But this week was just 1.7 pounds, 1.8 pounds, because I rounded it off, yeah, 1.8 pounds. But yes, guys, so I'm happy with that. It's coming off slowly. I think on average, my weight loss has been, like I said before, roughly about 2 pounds, roughly a week. And I'm not complaining. I can see the changes in my body. I see the change in my face. When I lose weight, my face tends to lose weight a lot quicker than everywhere else. I can see it in my body as well. I've gone down a couple size in my clothes, so I'm happy about that. And I've been able to fit in some clothes that were fitting before but weren't fitting after a while, but they're fitting now. So I guess that's all like progress. As for my injection site, I injected last night in my thigh. I haven't got any like reaction from it yet. Sometimes it takes a day, you know, but I haven't had any reaction from it yet. I don't think I have any reaction going on right now. I don't think the side effects are bothering me. I don't want to say this too quickly. I don't want to say it too quickly and then like I take it tonight and then boop, there it is. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like I've gotten over, I want to say that I feel like I've gotten over my side effects and now my body's completely used to it. But let's see how next week goes. Let's give it an extra week. Let's give it an extra week and see how that goes. I really don't know. But one of the things I must say, guys, like I am still struggling to have more than 1 meal a day. Sometimes I'll be able to have like a Magnum. like as a little snack or some fruits and whatever. But I was talking to my dietitian today and she was saying to me, why don't you try like a meal replacement? And then, honey, I remember that I have some Exante shakes left. So this next week I plan to do, right? What I plan to do, I plan to have my meal, and then for the second meal try to have an Exante shake and see how that goes. I'm not quite sure how it's going to work, but she said to me, try it, because you just never know. I've been struggling to have more than one meal, because if I have like a one meal in a day, I don't really want to eat anything else. Like the only thing that can tempt me is probably a Magnum ice cream, and I'll have a Magnum ice cream and that will be it. That's it. But apart from that, I won't have anything. So I'll have I tend to eat roughly about 1 o'clock in the day, 1 o'clock, and then I don't have anything else till the following day. But I really want to kind of like cut that out, because, you know, I've started on the metformin, the prolonged release one, and now I have to start taking 2 this week. So I really need to kind of get used to having 2 meals. So I'm going to try the meal replacement and I'll let you guys know how it works. Obviously, I do like the Exante shakes because I've tried it before. You guys know my little time that I went and tried out the Exante. I did it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping that they're actually still in date, because I haven't checked them recently, but I just know I have at least a good 3 weeks of them left. So, well, that's if I was taking it like every day. But I'm thinking if I use that as my second meal, that should be fine. So I'm gonna try that and let you guys know. But guys, that's what I'm down this week. 1.8 pounds this week, which is 0.8 kg, and my overall total loss is 12.4 kg. And that's visit that 8 weeks now, basically 8 weeks, and my total in pounds is 27.3 or 4 pounds. I cannot remember. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're on any special diet, just let me know. Comment down below, let me know. Or if you've tried the Saxenda before, or you're on the Saxenda, or you're thinking about trying the Saxenda, and you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and ask me these questions. I will definitely answer them. But guys, if you're still right here and you haven't yet liked this video, please go ahead and like this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm looking at myself and I'm like, I'm so pretty, like... Okay, let me stop, because I'm not talking, I'm looking at myself. I'm just like, girl, you're pretty bad. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in next week's video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.